The suite experience to me is a combination of a whole bunch of things that we do for our guests. Number one, it's the staterooms themselves. We take great care to make sure that those rooms are amazing accommodations, that when you first walk in the door you feel welcomed and you feel like you're in a really special place. Secondly, we take really great care to make sure that the service is exactly what our suite guests are looking for. When you first arrive at the pier, we have priority check-in for our suite guests and also priority boarding. So there's actually a separate area for those guests to check in. Additionally, you'll notice that our suite guests receive a gold SeaPass card. That helps us not only to differentiate the guests at the pier, but also on board. So any venue that a guest walks into, we immediately know that you're part of our suite program.
A suite guest would go into one of our theater production shows or one of our Broadway shows, and they show their gold card. We do have special reserved seating for them in the shows. Another example would be dedicated sun loungers and sun space, so that when the suite guests come, there's an area that's completely designated as for suite guests only. We've also extended that to one of our private destinations on Labadee, and we've built 25 cabanas. And we also have a dedicated suite area.
Additionally, it's the services that we offer. It's the special touches that we have throughout the ship. It's the captain's cocktail hour that you're invited to exclusively as a suite guest, and making sure that you have people looking after you in a very personal way throughout your voyage with us.
This is the Suite Concierge Lounge, and we do any of their reservations that they need, shows, restaurant reservations, anything that they need to assist them during the cruise. This is also an area where guests can come and have their breakfast. And then we've also got cocktail hours from 5 to 8:30 every single day, which is nice because people tend to come and mingle and enjoy themselves, and that's what it's about.
In terms of being pampered, and in terms of really being able to relax and really being able to enjoy your environment, there's nothing like having a suite on a Royal Caribbean ship.